Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a fun, glittery Thanksgiving look, and I love how it turned out. This might be my new favorite look, so if y'all want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer and just putting it on all over, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm still using Concealer by Tarte just because it's my favorite, and I especially love it in the fall and winter because my skin tends to get a little bit more dry and it is a hydrating foundation. But I've been thinking about maybe trying the Pat McGrath foundation because I've heard great things about it. It's pretty pricey, so I'm still trying to decide, but let me know down below in the comments if y'all want me to get it to try it out. Something else that I don't want to use different products is for my under eyes, so I'm starting off with the Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector. This helps to correct and counteract the darkness where concealer kind of just covers it up, and since it has a peachy tone, I still use concealer, so then I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape and place on top. I did go ahead and set my under eyes and my face with a translucent setting powder, and now I'm going in with the Gucci bronzer. This is another item that was kind of pricey, but I think it is worth it. The packaging is so pretty, so I will definitely use this after I use all the product, and I feel like it will last a while too because it seems like there's quite a bit, and y'all, it is just so buttery and so pretty, and I absolutely love it. It is my new favorite bronzer. So I always use a lot of Tarte products, so I'm trying to use other things that I have because I don't want y'all to get tired of seeing the same things. So I'm using an Urban Decay blush. This is their Afterglow in the shade Kinky. To be honest, I'm not sure if they still have this blush because I've actually had this for a while, but I really liked this kind of peachy nude color. Another product that I haven't used in a while is the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion Highlighter in the shade O2, which is a really pretty gold color. For my brows, I've really been loving this Gucci brow pencil. This is kind of pricey for a brow pencil. It was $32, but you barely have to apply any pressure, so I think this is going to last a long time. Now I'm lining my upper waterline with a black eyeliner, and I always have to hold my lid up because I have contacts and I'm trying not to draw on them. Next, I'm starting on my eyeshadow, and I'm using the Anastasia and Norvina Volume 4 palette. I absolutely love this palette. It is so pretty and you can do so many different looks. And I'm starting off with the shade B3, which is a really pretty kind of burnt orange color. This is going to be my transition shade, so I'm placing it right above my crease and blending up just a little bit. And I always like to start off with a little bit of product and just build it until it's as dark as I want. And then I will take a clean fluffy brush and buff out the edges. Next, I'm using the shade E4, which is a really pretty cranberry color, and this is going to be my crease shade. I'm placing it in my natural crease and slightly above because I do have hooded eyes, and if I was to just look forward and relax my eyes, you can't see my natural crease, so that's why I kind of make my own. I'm going to do the same thing, just build the color and then blend it out with a fluffy brush. Using that same shade, I'm going to place it all the way across my lower lash line and then buff it out. Now taking that first color B3 and placing it all over my lid. This is going to be just a base color because then I'm going to take the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Full Finger Face Quad and use the shade Rosy Cheeks to place on top. This is a glitter topper and it's better if you use your finger because you can get more pigment. Whenever I use my finger for my lid, I always like to go in with a smaller brush just to get the inner corner where my finger can't reach. And then I'm going to go in with Champagne Kisses in that same Tarte palette and put in my inner corner. I did go ahead and line my lower waterline with that same black eyeliner I used earlier, and now I'm going back in with that cranberry shade I used in my crease, E4, and placing it on the outer corner of my lid. Then I'm also going to add some more to the outer corner of my lower lash line as well, just to kind of deepen it a little bit more. So I tried using a different mascara, but I always go back to Maneater by Tarte just because it is my absolute favorite. So that's what I'm using on my top lashes. And then I've been using the MAC Extended Play Mascara for my lower lashes, and I've really been loving it. And to finish off the look, I'm using the Rare Beauty Matte Lip Cream in the shade Courage. This is the Selena Gomez line. I love this color. It is such a pretty mauvey nude and it goes perfect with this look, and it's really comfortable too. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. I think it is the perfect Thanksgiving look because of the cranberry shades. Maybe because it reminds me of Thanksgiving food, but I think I wear cranberry every single year for Thanksgiving. But if y'all like this look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see y'all in my next video.